Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Aditin na natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for January 2025. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. At comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi skip ng ads. Thank you for your support. It helps our channel to grow. So, let's see Pisces. Money, career, finances. Nako, yung iba sa inyo Pisces, meron kayong mga iniisip ngayon. Pagdating sa trabaho nyo, something is bothering you. Can also be sa finances ninyo. Maaring naghahanap kayo ng sagot, naghahanap kayo ng solusyon, no, sa inyong kinakaharap na problema. But I see you na merong person sa buhay mo, no, na tutulong sa'yo. Someone who knows what you are going through. So, someone na alam yung backstory mo. And syempre kung itong taong to ay hihingan mo ng tulong, definitely this person will help you. Okay? Pero may mga tao rin kasi na ayaw humingi ng tulong. So, if you're someone na like that, kung merong mag-offer ng help sa'yo, then accept it. Diba? Para mabawasan ang iyong iniisip. Ayan, breath. Breath is like releasing, no? Pag-release ng pag-aalala mo sa nangyayari sa buhay mo, kasi minsan we are caught up dito sa problema na parang feeling mo wala ng solusyon, feeling mo wala ka nang magagawa, but actually you can do something about it. Okay, you can make things happen, especially if there is someone with you na willing magsuporta sa'yo. So, pwede rin tong reversal yung role na ikaw yung magsusupport sa iba. Maaring meron kang romantic partner na nangangailangan ng tulong mo, who will also help you. Parang tulungan, no? Kaya nga siya partnership dahil you are there for your person, para, magtulungan kayo sa oras ng mga challenges or problema. Okay? You also have here breath. Breath is like inspiration. A breath of inspiration. So, yung iba kasi, sa mga challenges nila na nakakaharap, doon nang gagaling yung inspirasyon para sa isang bagong creation. Do you get what I mean? For example, nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, meron akong nalaman na kwento about mag-asawa na pareho sila nawalan ng trabaho. So, syempre, problema yun, di ba? And because they are there for each other, hindi nila binitawan ng isa't isa, yung strength nila together, yun yung nagpatibay sa relationship nila. And yung challenge na kinaharap nila, kahit mahirap, kinaya nila dahil nagtutulungan sila. At yung challenge na yun, na nawalan sila ng trabaho, mas na-push sila na umalis sa comfort zone nila. And dun sila nakapag-isip na makapag-business together. And they did the business together and naging successful yon. So, who knows, diba, na yun yung gagawin nila, na magbi-business sila, na kung hindi dahil nawalan sila ng trabaho, hindi nila may explore pa yung potentials ng partnership nila. So, that's what I'm saying. Okay? Parang ganun yung example dyan. So, that's what I'm seeing for you, Pisces. Hindi naman kailangan romantic connection to, no? Pwede rin sa family, sa friends, ganyan. Let's see what else. Oh, that's the lovers talaga. Nakakaloka. Okay. Alam nyo kasi tong swan, dito sa cards na to, it symbolizes lovers as well. So, Pisces, napaka-significant ng presensya ng romantic partners for you or someone na mahal mo sa buhay pagdating sa finances mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. You also have the Ten of Wands. Ayan, so maraming responsibilities. Pero kahit na maraming responsibilities, kayang-kayang iraos, kayang-kayang gawin, kayang-kaya mong ma-accomplish. Oh, you have the Emperor, the Ten of Pentacles. Proper ano lang to, proper planning. Oo. With the Judgment card here, this is awakening, reassessing your situation. So, I feel like kaya kayo magkakaroon ng changes is because meron kayong challenge na pinagdadaanan ngayon na parang siya yung magiging catalyst, no, for change para sa inyo. So, yun nga, gaya ng nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, na ikwento ko, yung iba, maaring similar, pareho yung situation nyo, na hindi porket na may nawala sa'yo na opportunity, it doesn't mean na tapos na. It doesn't mean na dead end na. It only means na meron ka pang ibang options, meron ka pang ibang opportunities na i-explore mo. You just need to undergo that change, that rebirth, that endings to start a new beginning. Oh, diba? Okay, let's see what else. Some of you here, pwedeng merong tutulong sa inyong family member. Oo, na magbibigay ng, let's say, financial support or pondo para makapagsimula ka, start a new business, or makapagtrabaho ka ulit. You have history, career, or business na nagawa mo na dati in the past na i-regenerate mo, babalikan mo. You also have slow and steady. So, slow and steady wins the race, diba? Wins the game. So, ano man tong mga sinisimulan mo, lahat naman nagsimula, lahat ng malalaking puno nagsimula sa pagtatanim ng maliit na bunga, maliit na seed, no, na binhi, and then eventually over time with proper care lumalaki ito at nag-grow. So that's what I'm seeing for you. Kung meron kang kailangang simulan, simulan mo na, kasi habang dumadaan yung araw, oras, panahon, may opportunity to na lumago kung aalagaan mo. Uy, ang ganda! Look at that. Blessing. So, merong unexpected fortune. Unexpected money is coming. This is a great time to enjoy the blessings that are pouring in for you. Yes, may mga blessings na parating, unexpected. Yung iba sa inyo, help, tulong galing sa mahal sa buhay or sa family. Yung iba sa inyo, mana. May inheritance. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Ayan. Wag mo na raw ipagpaliban ang pagdedesisyon. Kung kailangan mong magdesisyon, do it. The power to heal the earth is within you. So some of you, meron kayong abilities, gifts, talents in healing other people. Pwedeng spiritual yan, pwedeng medical. Honor your own time of harvest. Offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. Okay, meron din kayong mga gagawing mga outreach program, charitable activities, pagtulong sa iba. The more na tumutulong ka sa iba, nag-share ka ng blessings mo, the more na blessings din yung darating sa'yo. Yes. Let's see what else. Be rid of your enemies. Maging maingat ka rin sa mga taong alam mo na hindi ka gusto, or mga enemies mo, pwedeng iba sa inyo, alam mong mga hindi approve sa ginagawa mo, or can be someone na hindi supportive sa'yo. Harmony returns even after wrenching loss. Yes. So like what I mentioned kanina, no, kung meron naging challenge talaga sa inyo, hindi naman yan forever. Babalik rin yung balance sa buhay nyo. Babalik rin yung maayos na situation. So you just have to move on, focus on your goals, Focus on what you can do, yung anong kaya mong magawa ayon sa resources mo ngayon, and babalik sa dati or mas better pa, no? Harmony will return to you. Ayan. So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much and see you again.